I'm reviewing coach study guide M2 made for the batch 4. This is index where you have mentioned serial number and content, but this is not a serial number. This is a chapter number, and this is not a content. This is a chapter name. So this has to be chapter number A5 to C15. Then this has to be the chapter name, right? And then this is page number is okay, and the heading, right? You can have in say maroon color, especially chapter number, chapter name, and then page number. So this is A5, seems all right. Aesthetically there are pictures and there are some symbols, right? Then there is this maroon color used properly for the headings. So overall formatting looks good. It is pleasant to eyes. When I look at A5, I am finding that it is good to look. But now what has happened, the pre-work position is wrong. So if you see our structure, you are putting pre-work at the end of andragogy. That is when you are having Manan and Nididhyasan in every other chapter, you are putting pre-work after that, because the pre-work is for the next chapter. First you learn this chapter, go for Manan, go for Nididhyasan, then you go for the pre-work for the next chapter. So this position is wrong. You have to cut it and paste it after this particular page. So I am talking about after 16 page number 16, pre-work has to come. Then in a pre-work, if you see, there is this additional dot for this particular questions for self-discovery link, right? So the link should not have this particular dot. So the only all the tests only should have this particular dot. So just see that, and when there are so many tests, I will prefer a space between them. So the test 1 is this, then you enter it, then test 2. So have some kind of spacing, otherwise it is looking very cluttered, right? And of course it has to come after your Nididhyasan page. Now I go to this particular C8. Now if you see this particular Samuel Johnson quote, I hardly find any space between the words. Integrity, without, and knowledge, knowledge is weak, right? So there is no space. So please look into this and have a proper space between the word, right? Now so now the definition has some picture and all that, right? So now see this, I think this is not bold. So all the headings need to be bold. So this is maroon color is all right, but the heading also has to be bold. Now see, this is a very important point wherein we are asking them to refer to this particular ethical guidelines. So better you put it in a block, in a colored block, like you are already doing it, but you are not following the same process. Somewhere you are putting the links in a proper yellow color block, somewhere you are not putting, and this is a very important link. It is better that this particular link of ethical guidelines should be put in the block. Now see here what is happening now, you are only text, right? There is no image, right? For example, professional conduct at large, if there is some image at least, right? So means it is just the copy paste of the theory. See, the idea of the coach study guide is not exactly to do only copy paste work. We have to just add, and Tejal is a part of this particular CAM meetings with the Richard Islay, and we are already discussing that, right? So our entire content can't be only copy paste. There has to be some value addition somewhere from our side. I fully understand that the team is not in a position to add value in the content because of the lack of knowledge of the coaching. But definitely I think depending upon the topic, the team can at least add pictures, at least do something, right? So wherever you are having this self rating, this particular heading, competency detail, rate and comment, you put it in either navy blue color or maroon color. So just highlight this right? And preferably this particular say a table should have a thick border line, right? So it looks like a independent table with a thick border line. Between this particular say so called this particular dot and the line, there has to be always a space like this, right? Means it should not be so close. Just this is a hygiene factor, so I am just stating again the same thing, right? So the somehow the spacing you have to increase in these kind of quotes. Means this is better than the earlier, but still I am not happy with the spacing. I think it is too close. Means if you see here, I am see of the 8 mandated ICF core competencies, I am finding a proper spacing. That proper spacing I am not finding in any of the quotes. Again the same thing, this has to be in a maroon color or navy blue color, and this particular table has a thick border line. Aesthetic wise, okay, there are videos, there are articles, no major issue, right? See here now, if you see after the bullet you are having a space, so just follow this particular same standard, na? Somewhere there is no space between the bullet and word, somewhere there is a good space, so just look into this. Same pointer here, the proper spacing has to be there in the quote of a Ravindra quote, right? So now somewhere you are putting this particular subheadings in bold, somewhere not. So I think that go for bold. So any subheading, if you put it in bold, means whatever is your method, just have that particular consistency. See now here what you have done, this competency detail, rate and comment, you have highlighted with a light gray color, right? But in other things you have not. So now this is a common table which is practically coming, although the content inside the table is changing, the idea of this particular thing is self-rating. So can you have a same format for the all the tables with the thick background where you highlight this particular headers in the table? Okay, pre-work is all right. Now see here means the spacing is everywhere in each quote, means you are consistent in not having space in the quotes. Now between arrive and where there is no space, overall this is very crunch quote, right? So just see that this particular font of the focus area and the spacing and this quote, the font and everything has to be same, right? So what is happening here? This is Palatino 15, this is also Palatino 15, but the spacing has changed, right? So the font size and type is same, but the spacing is changing. So just look into it. Now I find a unnecessary problem with this particular say this left and right spacing. See on the left hand side, if you see, there is a at least a 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter space I am seeing, right? So if you go for the layout, the margin on the left hand side is proper, but why we are not keeping any margin on the right hand side? We don't have any space constraint, right? We are not going to invest money into the printing and we have to save pages or something like that. So then why we are not keeping a standard margin, means whatever is this particular left margin looks appropriate to me, why our right margin is practically 0. So have the same LH and RH margin throughout the course study guide. Okay, there can be some exceptions like index page or the first page, second page. But when you go enter into the domain of content where there is a lot of words on the page, there has to be proper margin. There is no reason why we should not have the right side margin, right? So this is applicable for the entire coach study guide. Have a fixed LH and RH margin. Okay, RH margin can be little bit less than the LH margin, because generally on left hand side we tend to keep little bit higher margin, but definitely there has to be a appropriate margin on the right hand side. See, the self discovery, there is absolutely no space, right? So just go. Now here again our focus is only on the copy paste. We are not investing little quality time in inserting images. Now this is a path of self discovery, right? Do you not think that there has to be at least some image related to the self discovery here? I had already given you many images, but forget about I giving you images. The team from the content development also go for these particular images, right? Now see again the spacing, what self discovery is dash and what it isn't. So between it and isn't there is no space. Like that you just go through it and add some images. See, if there are some 3-4 pages without any images or something like that, it is so boring. Now see, I am going for a self discovery, page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, page number 5, page number 6, 7, 8, no image, 9, 10th page, 11th page, 12th page, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. See, there is no image at all, right? And there are so many important points here, right? Now, see, here our topic is some 22 questions on the self discovery. So now we are going for a 22 questions, right? So now let us see level 1 values. There are 3 questions. So just make this particular 1, 2, 3, right? In this same color, that is this color should be maroon color. So the 1, 2, 3, then I go to 4, 5, 6, again maroon color, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, and then like that you go to the 22nd color and you make it same maroon, so that you are highlighting those 22 questions there. And again these questions are not bold or something like that, right? So at least you change this particular color of the questions, or this particular numbering has to be changed, so that these 22 questions will be highlighted in the coach study guide, right? So like this is hygiene, this is not aesthetic, this is the basic. My aesthetic, my expectations are to look like a book and all that, so forget about that. You are not in a position to do that, but at least the basic hygiene, highlighting the questions, inserting some appropriate images. At least after each 2 page there has to be image, if not on each page. When there is any interesting topic, just look for an appropriate image, so that a person will feel like looking at the page. Otherwise 10, 15 pages there is absolutely nothing, only content, lines, right? So this is what. And when you are going to convert into the PDF, I want you to inspect each and every link, whether the link is working or not. Each and every, not on a sample basis. Go to the each link after converting into the PDF and see that whether that link is working or not. If the link is not working, then check why it is not working, correct it, right? And if there is any major problem, remove that. But if the link is present into the coach study guide, it must work, because we don't want to waste time in student coming back to us, link not working, and no. So this is the absolutely waste of our time. Now I am going to this particular self and social awareness. Same thing, means I am sure now there will not be any image, although the topic is very interesting and you will get so many images, right? Now this, see, this 20 activities, at least for each activity type there has to be image. For the writing there has to be one image, for the right. So there are 4 zones, right? So when you start with this one, writing self-awareness activities, right? So before you start journaling, there has to be some image, right? That these are the writing activities, and even article has that particular image. From which article we have copied this text has the images. but even we are not efficient in copying, right? Means we are not taking even good points in copying. We are copying 50% images. We are, so forget about adding value, right? Changing some content, adding some value, forget about that. We are even not copying their images also. Or if you see, okay, they are using this image, can you use similar different image instead of 100% copying? Okay, because the meaning is same. Writing activity will have what? Will have some paper and pen and some hand will be shown. So instead of copying exactly their image, you can go for some other image with this similar meaning, right? Manifesto, see, no image at all, only copy paste, right? The headings are not in bold, personality test, T is small, where the our say standard is, right? So the each in the heading and the sub heading, the each word first letter has to be capital. Do that please. Spend quality time, right? So if you say, now see, blaming mindset, there is no space. So when you are going to the Word document, are you going for this particular what we say that what is that file which we check the spellings and all that? So that particular software will tell you, right, that is okay, there has to be space and all that. So go for that particular spell check and use that particular software. Absolutely, means it's so boring presentation, right? There is no image, nothing, no excitement. No one is going to read this. Means we are preparing this with so much passion and so much information is there, but this our presentation is bad. Now see, here again you are putting the disk text, right? So this is a disk 360-degree test, which is a part of our G Drive folder. So now you see that whether the link is working, right? Because I earlier seen, I think in M1, no. So when I was giving you the feedback on M2 on what students will learn at the start of every chapter, I found that few of the links were not working. So then I went to the G Drive, I corrected that particular link and I pasted the new link. Like that, I want you to check whether each and every link is working or not. Core beliefs, no picture at all, only text, right? So see, I know that I have taken the primary responsibility of curating the content of Who Am I, but at the same time I had given the responsibility of making the coach study guide aesthetically appealing to the content team. So please do your work sincerely, otherwise people are not going to read it. My problem is, if we are presenting the content in a boring way, people are not going to read it. This is my real pain after doing so much efforts. So these particular arrows are 3, right? So one arrow has to go to this information as well, information that supports to my core belief. So one arrow will go here, one arrow is and 2 arrows are here, right? So see, that means this one arrow is missing. Now see here na, okay, so I will prefer to have some space between these activities, but it is up to you whether you want to add space. See this sentence, out of your vulnerabilities will come your strength, no space at all. So can you please inspect this particular things, small things. Here there is a extra space used in this particular area, right? See, I am not looking at perfection, to be honest with you. I am looking at sensible content. So where it is obvious, at least do it. Now see, as soon as I go to this particular page, I am getting a totally different feel. The spacing, the font is looking totally different. I don't know that is what font you have used, right? So the font is same, but then why this? Okay, so this is a body text and not normal, right? So whatever is the issue, see here means it is not a readability of this particular page. The current page 136 is not good because means the words are too spread or something like that. Now if I compare this 136 with, say, I will go back. So there is some problem in the spacing, means see, I will now if I go to the your earlier content, right, see now here please compare page number 33 with page number 136 and see, means see here I am finding it easier to read Riches agreement about the guidelines and the specific parameters. But when I go to page number 136, so page number 33 in my opinion is better as far as the readability is concerned. But as soon as I go to page number 136, right, so I have a problem here. So the readability is too spread out or something like that, right? So just look into it, that is what exactly is happening with the font, with the spacing between the words, right? Something has, some formatting has changed. Here there is some extra space in page, current page 143 before the appendix. See, the aesthetic treatment is not looked at. Now see here again means the readability is so bad, right? I can't have a proper glance at this particular page, the way this particular page is there, right? Right, there is no bullet points and this the words are too spread out or something, means bad is there. I really don't know what. So for example, maybe your value is kindness, so you have to make it bold. Honesty, you have to make it bold. See, the readability is bad. It is just means copy paste without any thought given on adding value as far as the aesthetics is concerned. Adventure, right? So no bold, right? No one is going to read this in the first place, and we have spent enormous amount of energy into creating this particular content, right? But because of our lack of presentation sense, right, we are going to lose that particular impact. Let us begin. Has to be bold because it is a important title. Step 1, step 2, step 3, make in at least this particular subheadings, make them color, right? So here there is no space. Now narrow the list down again to your top 5 values. There is absolutely zero space between this. See, what is this? See, right? So just look into this point. Conclusion has to be in bold. Subtitle is not in bold, this has to be in bold, same thing, right? So have some checklist, that is okay. What is that I am going to inspect into the coach study guide before giving it to me, right? You are wasting my time into this, all these small things. So I better use my time for the value added activities. Value added activities like new program design, value added activities like marketing and promotion, right? Value added activities like thinking how to improve the program, how to improve the andragogy. See, no space, but means you are putting this particular work to me and you are expecting the top person of the company to take care of this particular sundry things. Annexure, it is not in bold. Here there is a extra space for this block, then the balance blocks are all right, right? So here also there is no images, nothing. Forgiveness, the chapter start should have image, and I think the earlier coach study guide for the M2, especially if I remember rightly, was having so many images into this who am I things. But I think when we are going downhill instead of we continuously improving, right, our aesthetics is going downhill. Examples of intention statement, right? So there is no fun in the way we are presenting it, right? No color combination, no proper box, no proper shading, right? Just okay, we are just completing the work. We have a target, that is okay. On this particular date, the coach study guide has to be given, must be given to the student because they are starting, and just few days before we are doing something, right? So right now here also just copy paste, no spacing, that content taken, content copy pasted. Between the paragraphs also there is no spacing, right? So just see the readability is this, right? No spacing in the paragraphs, no highlight of the important words, right? No color combination, nothing, right? This is what is, see, this is the difference between professional and unprofessional, right? A professional work should not be checked by other person, including me. If you are a professional developing the content, you should give me the content. Okay, there can be some advertent mistake, inadvertent mistake. That is okay. Oh, okay, this particular point was missed inadvertently. But there are so many in principle mistakes, so many formatting mistakes, so many objective oriented, that is okay, we want to make our coach study guide more appealing and creative and interesting. Nothing is there. We are only talking. Now last time also I told you, each and every coach study guide M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 need to have the standard last page of all our links. If the student is on that particular study guide and if you want to access any important link of the Master My Life, that has to be the last page of the links. This I have already told you, right? But again, in this particular batch for M2, we are forgetting it. So who is taking this particular responsibility to understand what management is saying and seeing that it is getting implemented instead of wasting management time each and every time to pointing out the same things again? So please work this by tonight and release this particular coach study guide to the students tonight.